Third level, out of phase. Nothing we can do about that. Volts, 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 volts. Whoop. Hammer, arm and hammer. Let's head south. Let's try behind the throne too. Oh, that's where it leads to. Alright, not much we can find out around here. We got the key though, to the newest dungeon, and that's what's important. Alright, I think I will... not quite sure what to do, really. We'll have to head east out to the Isle of Lost Souls, I guess. And that's about all there is to it. The desert's still... we could probably actually go into the desert now, what with all the levels and the equipment we've been getting. I need to find something really strong to test out that new sword on, too. Obsidian Flamberge. Oh, my goodness. Ah, let's see our quests. Quests in Darkside. Find Ector's ring and return it to him at E2. 312. I guess we'll have to head out east to the crossroads. It's probably the best thing we could do for right now. And that's not really a good example of... yeah. Good 10,000 experience for us for not really doing much of anything. Not much here but shade in the trees. I shouldn't head out into the desert too much. It's full of very nasty creatures. We'll have to return to those gem range mines later on, because it is a good place to mine up gems. I mean, just plain spellcasting gems, even. Why not? Oh, okay. Tell you what, I'll save the game and I'll see if I can buy some robes. And what are these robes? Seething robes. You know what? I'm going to save the game and I'm going to see if I can't get any good robes off of it. Yeah, for being robes, they're supposed to be really great. They don't do a whole lot. Load game. Be a lot worth it more just to pay for the... just to risk a chance on the gem crafters instead. No, this isn't it. Load game. There we go. There we go. Now I won't forget where we are. And she needs levels. Why not? Go nuts. If we get crap, I'll just save it anyways. Sometimes you get bad stuff. What can you do? Gold necklace. Whee! That was worth it. Not. I am getting really sick of Arturius found boots. Well, what are these boots? Very bad deals inside the crossroads. Don't bother buying stuff here, people. I had a feeling that it was crap, but I figured I'd try it anyways, because we had enough gold for it. I wonder what's to the north of this crossroads. This is inside this lake is where the Isle of the Isle of Lost Souls is. So, if you want to know where it is, there you go.
Gotta pass. Back off.
Well, looks like we're not getting into there anytime soon.